Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I got two Pinch Me boxes. They came in, so I'm gonna unbox them. Freshly boxed. I think the boxes are super cute. So it comes with, darn, this is too spicy. It comes with the Blue Diamond Almonds Extremes. I don't know, but this is the hottest, so I give that to my family. Comes with a card. I think it gives $5 off coupon for this like sleep or any of these actually. And I think I asked, well, they gave me the sleep one, the CBD, one of these vitamin thingies. I'm glad. I like trying these out. These are really nice. This is cherry blossom scented bags to try. They usually give out, okay, one bag. So that's exciting. I think before they gave me like 3 bags. The Frizz Ease Dream Curls. That's a pretty nice, decent sample. 2 ounces. It's really nice. And then here is the CBD sleep. So this will be nice to try. I'm excited. And it gives me 7 capsules. Okay. So that's nice to try. And then a little, that's what it looks like for these. And this is a nice bag to try. And $2 off coupon for the Frizz Control. Frizz Ease. So that is it for this box. On to the next box. Okay. So they gave me 3 of these Dole drinks. They gave me the orange, mixed berry, and pineapple apple. That's nice to try. And dog treat. This will be good for Lena, my mom's dog. This is roasted turkey flavored with pumpkin and spinach. Nice. Great for the fall time. And let's see, this one. So I'm excited to try this hydration. Weightless hydration mask for the hair. And give me 2 of these. This is shampoo and conditioner, breast to seize. I think that's what it says. Brunette hair conditioner and shampoo. So that is pretty nice. They gave me 2 samples. And little thing. So that's nice. So that is what I got in my 2 Pinch Me boxes. This month on my monochromatic update, I can't wait. I just need 2 more usage on both of these palettes. So I'll use these together. I am so excited that this month has been doing good. I am at my goals on everything except for these 2 and more past my goals. So I'm excited. I'm doing a palette bingo right now. So I'm using this Moira Dreamscape palette, and that's what it looks like. Very colorful, and I love colorful. This rainbows, and this ABH Norvina Volume 3. And I got out my debit card in today, so I'm so excited I get to purchase it. Trying not to, but I really have my eye on the Norvina 2 palette. I've been looking at declutters and they're like, I will not declutter this one. And I'm like, I really need the Norvina too. Trying so hard not to, but it's in my head. And the Glam Light Street Taco. And I'm like, just those 2 purchases, please. So I'll set up my number generator and I'll be right back. I have 1 through 18. We have 10, 4, 3. 1 through 25, we have 7, 13, and 18. So here are the color story. That is very beautiful. This bright side, of course, that is the Moira palette. And the other one is from the ABH palette. So that is very pretty. Hopefully I can create a fall look because these are like fall green colors and then bright summer spring colors. So let's see how this works. Going in with all there right here. That beautiful yellow into the crease area. I did prime my eyes. I used a new technique. After I put foundation and concealer on, I actually put this iconic illuminator to luminize my whole face so it looks probably greasy. I don't know. I'm just trying new techniques. And then I was using a wet sponge for my highlight last week. So just trying something new with my makeup and just seeing how I like the new techniques. Just to spice up some of my makeup look on myself. This is a really light yellow. Very pretty though. Nice when you have to build it up too. And it, like with the ABH, I was like, wow, you don't need to build it up much, but it's hard to tame it. Gonna go in with Vivid right here. Or should I go with the Surreal? Choices. I think I'm gonna go in with Vivid, this beautiful lime green. So yeah, I forgot I was gonna tell you something. Oh, I didn't post yesterday's picture because of my eye look. I just kept taking pictures and I didn't like how it came out, but I loved the eye look. Just didn't like the pictures that I was trying to take a picture of. My beautiful eye look. And it's so disappointing when that happens because I really wanted to show you my eye look. I really did enjoy it. I used the Ace Beauté palette, Vintage Dawn from BoxyCharm last year. So that was a pretty look. I love that like palette. So that's what it's looking like. Going in with C3, the shade right here. Blending that in the outer portion of the eye. It's almost like it has like some kind of pink in it. I don't think purple, but this is such a pretty color. Beautiful pigment in this palette. Yeah, I only have 2 palettes in mind right now, and I'm just trying hard not to buy. And then I'm like, but the holidays, and I'm like, no. Next year I need to be more like telling myself no. No buy. Remember that no buy. Keep promising yourself that each year and it just never happens. Going in with D3 right here. Yeah, that one. I know the two other looks that I made with this palette I did not show at all. And I'm like, ugh. Why do I keep using this palette without showing you? Sorry, I had to wait until the week started to start filming. My filming schedule soon will be hectic because I might have to wait a day for my new project pan to start the end of this month. So I might have to wait till like the 1st or something because right now I don't know how to. I'm gonna have to watch people do their filming of this project pan so I can get an idea of how to do my project pan. So that's one of the reasons, and then my updates for my other project pans. So it's gonna be like a filming. I'm gonna have to dedicate a day for filming. So having those two, it looks like a fall Thanksgiving look so far. Having these two mixed together, I don't know how I feel about that, but I will. Going in with the surreal color, love pinks. Just don't really wear much pinks. Love pink. Don't know why I don't wear much pink. So just going in where there's a free spot on the lid. Going in with this B2. Sounds like I'm doing bingo. Alright. Using this motor brush. I mainly use brushes that are from BoxyCharm and Ipsy. I love this brush. So the brushes that I've used so far are from, this is from Ipsy and Miss Glam with the 2 gemstones, and then this one's from BoxyCharm, Luna Magic, and then this Motor Pro brush. I know people ask me what brushes do I use, and I'm like, oh, I don't know, because I have full of brushes that are dirty. Sometimes I reuse brushes the next day if it's not like too dirty, and I could just wipe it off on this. Because I haven't had a chance to clean my brushes yet for the week. So, and then my clean brushes are right here, and there's like a lot of them I haven't used yet that are from like BH Cosmetics that I keep buying from Ross and Marshalls because I'm weird that I haven't used them yet. I don't know if I'm waiting for the new year to start using them. I don't know. And they're white bristles. Like, I don't want them dirty. I like to use these darker ones to get dirty. And I mainly use color, so I'm so torn. Going back with this yellow one. Just gonna go on the crease with this one. That's what it's looking like. Ah! So here is the finished look. Oh, I love it. I'm in love with this look now. that mascara and everything is done, because it reminds me of Thanksgiving, and I'm so excited for Thanksgiving. And plus, it's like 3 days until my birthday afterwards, so. But I love when family gets together and eat this big old delicious dinner feast, even though I don't supposed to, but we do because we're thankful of, you know, everything. So we do celebrate that kind of, you know, gotta be thankful. Even though every holiday we celebrate, we're thankful for, and we have beautiful feasts. But this is what it looks like. Again, I love the palettes. I love the look. I was surprised that these brights did work together with these other tones that, you know, fall tones to bright tones. I like it all. I highly recommend this palette. It's so beautiful. I love that. I use this when I'm not filming. I use this orange, and I just love the neon colors. I love neons. I think I love neons more than pastels, but I love this palette. Even though it is kick up in the pan, I don't matter. If there's pigment and you can build it up on the shadows, really highly recommend this. Got this from Maryland for my birthday, I believe, or Christmas. I don't remember now. But I love this. I'm pretty sure it's my birthday. I love that. 2 pieces. I love this 2 pieces. The ABH Novena Volume 2, 3. It's back here. Volume 3. This palette is good. Little kickback, not that much. Didn't have any troubles, but this is very pigmented. Of course, lashes want to be in my eye. Highly recommend this palette as well. Very pigmented. These palettes are really good. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Here again is my beautiful fall look. I love it to pieces. So yeah, bye for now.